So I've been receiving a lot of messages regarding a platform of which people can use to invest their money. So a lot of people in Zambia have been really getting scammed almost every day from this type of website where you invest money and after some time they disappear. So today I found a legit website of which you can trust more than 100%. So with the website I'm about to show you, you will not worry about it disappearing. Okay, so the website I'm about to show is here for good. And as for me, I don't promote get rich quick schemes. I don't promote hips. I don't promote investing sites. So for me to promote something, it means that it's really working and it is something you can trust and it's something you can try out. Okay, if you check on both of my channels, you won't find anything which says invest this, get this, or do this and do this. Most of my videos are based on realistic, real things. But in today's video, I've got something more good for you. Okay, because all you have to do is simply deposit or invest and sit back and relax and earn some revenue from money you've deposited. So what is this platform? Well, this platform is called Pocket Option. So what is this platform and what does it do? So the link to this platform will be in the description. So let me just go to the platform. So this is the platform. So this platform is actually a binary options trading platform. Okay, so I know you might be asking, no, this is a forex trading platform. I don't have any skills in trading forex. Well, you are not going to trade forex, but what you're going to do is simply create an account with Pocket Option, verify your account by uploading your NRC and deposit any amount of money, and simply click here and click on myself and click on open. Okay, so what is this? So when you open your personal self for savings, you receive an income of up to 10% per annum. So per annum, this means per year, and you receive profit from your financial assets currently not used in trading for a truly passive source of income with Pocket Option. So deposits and withdrawals are available at any time without any restrictions or commissions. So with other websites, like when it's time for withdrawal, they will tell you to deposit in some more money for you to be able to withdraw. But when it comes to this website, there are no such things, so you can get to read some terms of use. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is simply choose a safe type. So a safe is where you're going to deposit your money and earn some money. So there's a US dollar safe, Bitcoin safe, and Ethereum safe. But as for me, I would choose a US dollar one because I could get to deposit using my card and to withdraw using my card. But if you put Bitcoin, you can deposit Bitcoin and withdraw using Bitcoin. So there are about 4 packages. The first package is 3%. Okay. But before I explain for you these packages, let me first show you the calculator. So you can choose how much you would like to earn. So let us say you would like to earn 10%. So you choose how much money you would like to deposit. So let us say you would like to deposit $200. And if you do not want to keep on depositing every month, you can keep this to 0. Okay, so if you choose the 10% save, this means that at the end of the year you're going to earn $22, and the final plus the deposited amount is going to be $200. Okay, so let us say you deposit $1,000. Okay, you're going to earn $100 in 12 months, and the final balance you're going to have 1,108. Okay, I know you might be asking, some other platforms can give you 10% daily. Well, that is the reason why most people get scammed. A lot of people really want to make money fast. People want to make 20% every day. Well, this platform, you'll be able to earn 10% in 1 year. Okay, I don't think there are most banks out there, they can only pay you up to 5% per year. So 10% per year is really good. So now let me explain to you these packages before I end this video. So they are good 4. So the first one is up to 10,000. Okay, so in this 3% one, you can deposit up to 10,000. Okay, and the interest rate is 3%. Okay, and the conditions, so the condition is that for the 3% one, for you to be able to earn 3%, you're not required to trade. So simply deposit any money and you'll be able to earn the 3%. But when it comes to these three packages over here, you'll be required to trade for you to be able to use them. For example, the US dollar 5%, okay, you need to have a monthly turnover of $30,000, which is quite a lot. Like, you need to be able to make like $30,000 profit from your trading. Then for the 7%, you need to be able to make $50,000 profit from your monthly trading, and for the 10%, you need to be able to make 100,000. So for some people, not for some people, I think for all people, this is going to be hard. So as for me, I would recommend or encourage you to simply go with a 3%. Okay, so 3% is good. So if you do not want to wait for a year, you can choose the 3 months, although you're going to earn this. Okay, so for example, if you choose the 10% and you deposit in $100, so in 3 months you're going to earn $3, which does not really make sense. Okay, it does make sense over a long period of time, but $3 seems to be nothing, because you can make $3 like within a day or so if you are really knowledgeable in trading. Okay, so this is it about today's video. So this platform is really legit, you can trust it. Okay, so the link to this will be in the description. Bye for now.